Now that I've listened back to some of these audio recordings, I need to start making some notes about what it was that was going on. So to do that, all I have to do is click and drag over the top of any area of the graph. So this is left click and drag, and when you let go, a box will appear. And what we need to go to is Insert Marker. This will bring up a marker box, and we get to choose to write in exactly what it was that was going on. In this case, let's say it was dogs barking. If I want to save this for something to use later, I can click on this little icon at the end here, and that'll save it for future use. Meaning, in another case, if I've got another dogs barking, then that's fine, we can add the same marker. Underneath that though, I've got fill colour, and from here I just select a colour that I want to use for this particular marker. For today we'll use red, and I click OK. What that's now done is it's added it to the top of the graph up here. It's also added it to my key on this side, and down at the bottom here I've now got it added to my marker management section. If I wanted to add another one, because there was another incidence of it, click and drag over the top. I could go to Insert Marker, but it's easier often if you've already put the marker in to go into Recent Markers, and you can select Dogs Barking from there. It's now added the same tally at the top, key is still the same, but at the bottom, in our marker management section, we've now got an additional one. You'll also see next to these ones, I've got the title row on here, and that shows me the number of occurrences of that particular thing, as well as the total time that went on for. This is really useful if you're doing your write-up at the end for your report, and you can note how often and how long this went on for during the course of your measurements. If I wanted to make any more specific notes, rather than just dogs barking, at the end of the row, on each one of them, I can click onto it and press the F2 key to add some additional notes. This might be specific to the individual occurrence.